In front of me is LENOVO Legion Tab Gen 3, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. Begin by going into Devices Settings. Now scroll down to click on Security and Privacy. Then scroll down again to tap on Privacy Controls and select Permission Manager over here. Now it's time to select any of your device's features you wish to manage, like calendar. Then pick one of your apps. Let's go with clock. And pick one of those options. Allow or don't allow. Whatever you decided, tap on the chosen one and go back. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, clock gained access to my device's calendar. But you can always pick any feature you want and then look for an app you are interested in. Click on it, scroll all the way down and select See All Permissions here. Then manage all of those, only for chosen app, the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!